Hi, good morning and good evening, everyone. Welcome back. In this video, we're going to play with SQL trigger. So a trigger is a SQL code that will be executed if there's an insert, an update, or a delete that occurred on a table. So, for example, we're going to create table here. So this is going to be ID, and this is going to be int, and this will not allow null, and this is set to primary, and this should be auto increment. Where do we define that auto increment? Auto increment is identity is yes. Okay, so that it will auto increment, and the name here will be the varchar varchar 50. Let's just say varchar 50 for now, and we're going to call this order. So if we refresh this, we now have dbo.order. So the next thing we're going to create is a table called logs. So this is going to be the ID of that table, and we're going to use int. We're going to set this to primary, and we're going to set the identity to yes, and um, the the column name will be log message, and it's going to be varchar, still varchar 50. All right, so we're going to call this logs table. Okay, refresh that. So now we have logs table. So what we want to do here is if a data is coming into the order table or is going to be inserted into the column into the order table, we want to log that on the logs table. So to do that, open the DBO table here and right click the trigger. So we're going to um, alter this table because this is just the default template that SQL Server gives you, and we're going to change this to .NET Test and create the date is today and description is nice. Okay, and then remove these things here. We just want some basic thing. We want to do this on after insert, and we want to call this dbo dot order trigger on dbo dot order. All right, so let's remove this, and we want to declare here, declare the order name, which is going to be a varchar 50. Okay, declare. Come on. All right. So we're going to select the data that was inserted because this is after insert. So we want to say select order, select order name is equals to the given order and inserted order dot name, and then all right, hold on, and then from inserted. So this is the keyword, just a keyword for inserted the value, and we're going to alias this as the inserted order. Okay, and then we're going to insert into dbo dot, is it logs, and then the log message, is it log message, yep, log message, and then values, we're going to put the order name here. All right, so let's execute that so that it will be added here in the order. Okay, so that is the trigger of that order. And let's check the logs. So logs doesn't have anything. So we're going to insert into order. Hold on. Insert into dbo dot order, and then the column here. Yep, the column here would be name, and we want to add the values. Here would be Vlad's order, and then the other one would be Mimi's order. So if we insert this, execute that, so we have two affected rows. So we're going to expect that we're going to have logs entries here in our logs table now. So we have order, so we don't have this. Okay, so yeah, I guess we need some other. Okay, so yeah, so it will not insert, like for example, because we executed this in one go. So JPX here, and here is JL. Because we executed this, like, even though it inserted twice, and because this is just a single insert, then it will only log one record here. So in this case, this will only log JBX order. No, it will only log the JL order. Check. Okay, so insert should be just a JL order, even though, yeah, so even though our order now has, yeah, here the JL order and the GBX order. All right, so that's it. That's just the basic trigger, and okay, I have nothing to say. Just click the like and subscribe, and tell your family and friends to subscribe as well. All right, cool. Good night. Thanks. Bye.